Namaskar everyone, how are you? I hope you all are well and safe. So student, today is Saturday, so we will do the aptitude and we will also do the current affairs, and also we will revise all the current affairs which we have completed in our previous lectures. Okay, so today we will do the aptitude test number 7. Okay, on page number 59. We will do the aptitude test number 7 on page number 59. Okay, so today firstly we will do the current affairs, then we will start the aptitude. So firstly I'm going to explain about current affair about the TV serials. Okay, so everyone like to watch the Balveer. So everyone like to watch the Balveer Returns. So as you know, in the serial Balveer Returns, there are many fairies: Vayupari, Agnipari, Jalpari. Now in the Balveer Returns, there are one new fairy. Ananya got the magical power and she became the fairy. So what is the type of Ananyas? It means I mean to say that which type of fairy is Ananya? Yes, guess everyone. Yes, Ananya is a Karigar Pari. She is known as the Karigar Pari. It means she can create any physical objects. Okay, and we can say that Ananya is a architect fairy. She can make the physical object. And one thing, one message is here that if you have remembered that in the starting time when Ananya was experiment on his power, when she wanted to know that which type of power she has, then she did many mistakes at the starting time when she was making any objects. She did the mistakes, but after practicing being a new fairy, sometimes as you know that Ananya cannot draw things perfectly in thin air, but as the series progressed her ability, then it's her perfectness, we seen the perfectness. Okay, it means here is the message that practice make man's perfect. Okay, so this was about the Balveer Return. Ananya got the magical power and she became an architect fairy. It means the Karigar fairy. Okay, she is able to create any physical objects. Okay, now we will discuss about the Ahilya Bai Holkar. Now, who are watching the Ahilya Bai Holkar? Ahilya Bai Holkar serials comes on the Sony channel. Okay, and Ahilya Bai Holkar, she was a very famous queen of the Malwa kingdom. Okay, especially which is known as the Maratha kingdom. Okay, Ahilya Bai Holkar was born in the village of Chondi in Jamkhed, Ahmednagar, which comes in the Maharashtra on that time, and also in present time. Okay, and she moved seat of her kingdom to Maheshwar south of the Indore on Narmada river, and the people of Indore worship his queen today also. Ahilya Bai Holkar is widely known as the Maharani Ahilya Bai Holkar and also Devi Ahilya Bai Holkar. Okay, and the husband name was the Khanderao Holkar. Okay, so what was the name of the Ahilya Bai's husband? Khanderao Holkar. Okay, she was very famous king. Okay, on that time she did the very noble deeds. She built the wells, roads, etc. And she always tried to do well for her subjects, means the people those were living in her kingdoms. Okay, so the people of the Indore and his empire today also they remember the Maharani Ahilya Bai Holkar. for their for her good deeds. Okay, now today we will discuss about the Ahilya Bai Holkar, the two famous TV serials, Ahilya Bai Holkars, which is based on the real historical story of Ahilya Bai, and also the Balveer returns. Okay, so these are the things about the things of our current affairs. Okay, these are also the topics of our current affairs. Now we are going to repeat or revise the current affair which we have completed in our previous lecture. Okay, so we celebrated our 72 Republic Day on 26th January 2021, and we have also celebrated many festivals in our country. In the month of January we celebrated Lohri and Uttarayan. We celebrated the Lohri on 13th January and Uttarayan on the 14th January. Both were known as the seasonal or harvest festival, as you know, I have explained you. Okay, and recently before 2 days on 11th February we celebrated the most famous religious festival of Hindus, Mahashivratri. Okay, and the upcoming festival is Holi. Okay, we will celebrate the Holi on 29th March. Okay, on 11th March we celebrated Shivratri actually, and now on 29th March we will celebrate the Holi. So Holi is our upcoming festival. Okay everyone, so you have to watch this video and have to revise all the current affairs which I discussed you. Okay, now we will start our aptitude test number 7 on page number 59. Okay, so let's start our aptitude. The first question is tick the correct options. Okay, question 1 to 8 are based on the tick the correct options. Okay, so here are the pair words. So as you know, you have to find out the correct pair for this and you have to tick on. So we have a pair boy with girl. The pair of boy word is girl. Okay, now here is dog. So which word should be pair of the dog? Here is mat means chatai, female means lady. Here is also given the lady, and here is bitch. So female of dog is called bitch. So our option number C is correct answer. Option number C is our correct answer, bitch. Okay, now next question is based on the numbers. So our next question is based on the number. We have to identify the number, the pattern of the number which are given here, and we have to complete this question. So what are the pattern? Let's see. Now see here, we have 254. Okay, now here we have 245. So what are the pattern? We have to interchange. See, we have to interchange the number which are given on 1 and 10 place. Okay, so 5 is on 10th place, so we have to write here on the first place. We have to interchange the place value of ones and tens. Okay, so we have to put the 5 on the ones place, and see, now next is 4 on the tens place. Okay, so likewise we have to complete this. Okay, now we have here, see, 621. So we have to interchange this into right side. Okay, so which is on number 1 is on the place of 1, so we have to interchange it with the tens place. Okay, and we have to change to we have to interchange the number of 10 place on the ones place. Okay, so we have a 612. So option number B is our correct answer. Okay, option number B is our correct answer. Now next is question number 3. See, we have to understand the pattern. Here are given the letters also and the numbers also. So see, firstly we will read the pattern of the pattern of the letters. So we have M, N. So here we have a alphabet in the ascending order, but now we have to reverse it in descending order. MN, then reverse is NN. Okay, the descending reverse. Okay, now here is B and C. Now we will write C and B. Then now here X, Y, then Y, X. Okay, now we will see the numbers. Okay, now see here 6, 5, ascending number. Here is descending number 5. We will read like this: 5, 6. Okay, so we can also write in the descending order, then 6, then 5. Now here is 9, then the descending, if we will read it as a descending order, then 9 after 9 before 8. 9 before 8. So number will be 8. So Y8X. Y8X is our correct answer. Y8X is our correct answer. Okay. So our answer is option number D. Y8X. Okay. We have to write letters here as a descending order. Y, then X. Okay, now 9 before 8. Okay, so done this. Now we will do the question number 4. Now we have a figure. In fourth number question we have a figure. So how we will do this? We need to observe the pattern of the figure. Here we have a square, a big square in which we have also 4 more squares. Okay, but we have a circle in a first square and dot in a second square. Now we have to arrange them and we have to make here the next pattern. Okay, so see, we have a circle in first box in the right side but on the top box. Okay, and now in the second square we have a dot in the bottom. Okay, but in also in right side. Now we have a circle in left side bottom. Now we have a dot on the left side top. Now we will make the pattern again like this. Then we have a circle in right side top. So our option number B is our correct answer. Option B is our correct answer. Okay, now see the question number 5. Question number 5 is a growing pattern. Okay, we have to grow this. It means we have to continue this pattern and find out the correct option. So we have firstly we have this type of line, then we have a second figure this, and now this type, and now it's grow like this, and after then it's grow like this. Now it will grow like this. So this type of option is our correct answer. So we have this figure in option number A. So option number A is our correct answer. Okay, option A is our correct growing patterns option. Now question number 6. Question number 6. The figure which is embedded in the figure, and figure is this. Okay, embedded means which can be fixed exactly. Which part of the option will fixed exactly in this given picture. Okay, so our option A. Now see the pattern. See, option number C. Option number C will exactly fixed in this given pattern. See, where we will find out this pattern. See here. This pattern will exactly fixed here. Okay, so option number C for question number 6 is our correct answer. Okay everyone, so now see question number 7 you have to do with yourself at home. As I told you, you have to put your mirror on this line and you have to see this type. You have to put your mirror like this, and when you will see in the mirror, Okay, option number B will become your correct answer. But firstly you have to observe at home. Okay, you have to put your mirror here like this, and you have to observe which option is your correct answer. Okay, now question number 8. Which word cannot be made from the letters of the word relation is? Okay, you have to also do this. Firstly you have to make the word and find out the letters which are given in this relation word. Okay, and then you have to do. It is written here, but firstly you have to do the practice and then you have to check your answer. So question number, see the question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 you have to do with yourself in your homework. Okay, so everyone in your homework complete your aptitude test number 7 and also watch this video again and again for better understanding your current affairs. Okay everyone, so now take care, goodbye. In our next lecture we will do the some more current affairs and also aptitude test number 8. Okay everyone, now take care beta, goodbye.